Hi friends! Welcome to our beginner-friendly hand embroidery tutorial on the satin stitch. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of mastering the satin stitch, one of the most versatile and elegant stitches in the embroidery world. So without further delay, let's start stitching. Insert your needle from the backside of the fabric to your starting point. Insert your needle back into the fabric directly across from your starting point, forming a straight line. Bring your needle up again, very close to where your first stitch started. Try to maintain uniform spacing between your stitches. Keep stitching in this manner, placing your stitches very close together so that no fabric shows through. One of the keys to a beautiful satin stitch is maintaining even spacing and consistent thread tension. All stitches should be in the same direction for a uniform look. Satin stitch is often used to fill in shapes like leaves, flowers, or any area you want to cover with a block of color. The stitch is quite simple. In this video, we'll walk you through an embroidery floral design using this stitch. So please watch till the end. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more creative projects like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy crafting!